these skirt girls used to make us feel like we don't belong here.
I feel like you're referring to the convent schools.
Of course I am referring to the convent schools, okay? I said, but the grass is greener on the other side. देखो ना, हर दूसरा वीडियो इसके फीड पे
Branding.
I'm like, dude, ये क्या है? I do comedy because I am excited to tell my stories.
Sonu Venugopal.
Hello.
Welcome.
Those are cue cards.
These are actually
Branding.
they're coaster cards. The joke is that it allows me to coast freely in this conversation.
Wow.
Thank you.
Off to a smooth start.
As a stand-up comedian, you would appreciate that.
I appreciate everything.
All right.
Yeah.
Are you originally a Bangalore girl? No. You grew up in Belagavi.
Different parts. Because my father was in bank.
Oh.
So every 3 years we used to change.
Right.
So I don't have, that's why I don't have a sense of belonging to a city per se.
Right.
Wherever my people are there, that's my city.
Your people, matlab your relatives, friends.
My parents, my husband, now
Okay.
my daughter.
Okay.
Like I need to have like a social setup. I am very happy living anywhere.
So what is your first memory of Bangalore then?
My first memory of Bangalore is my father's uncle who lived in Yelahanka.
हाँ.
It felt like we क्यों खत्म नहीं हो रहा है this distance because we
कहाँ
were
से?
coming Majestic.
From Majestic. And there was no Hebbal flyover at that
There was
time.
no Hebbal
Right.
flyover. Then my second thing was this masala dosa in Raceview. My father had this holiday home in Raceview. मतलब bank has certain rooms in a hotel in all big
Right.
cities. So we used to stay there.
Raceviews where?
Raceview is race course के पास.
Race course. Okay.
Okay, so they used to have that nice red chutney inside, and that's another memory. And there was another place in Rajaji Nagar called Sagar, where where they had that 1 rupee ka that horse. You put 1 rupee and then it goes. You know that?
Yes.
Yeah. So वहाँ पे I remember having pav bhaji. So these are my scattered memories of Bangalore.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Then I moved here when I was 13.
So that means your KV schooling happened in
Mysore, in Dharwad, and in Bangalore.
which KV in Bangalore?
ASC.
Okay, so what kind of a student were you?
Good.
Teacher's pet also?
Sometimes, because see, the thing is that I was also very extroverted. I wanted to do everything basically. I was into the quiz team, debate team, Antakshari also. Antakshari to I used to take personal offense if somebody used to beat me. Matlab, nobody could beat me for like till I finished engineering also. Undisputed. Yeah, and that was the thing that also got me into radio. Because my Bollywood knowledge was so on point.
So stage has always been in some sense part of your life.
Yeah.
And you used to have inter-school competitions?
Yeah,
or
we used to have. Then there was this newspaper in education, Times
Yes.
NI.
Yes.
Oh God, how? Because we wore salwar kameez. These short skirt girls used to make us feel like we don't belong here.
I feel like you're referring to the convent schools.
Of course, I am referring to the convent schools, okay? And I don't know, the boys from the convent schools are very nice. Matlab, they thought, "Arey, bichari, gareeb,"
No,
and
no.
they were nice.
The boys
to
from the convent schools were nice because you're girls. That's all.
But I'll tell you, all our girly features were hidden in that salwar kameez. What is the point? Dude, you won't believe. Dupatta pinned here. Matlab, jab tum dodo, it should not come up. That was the level of KV. Matlab, KV did everything to make us look ugly. It's fact. क्या ही फैशन करोगे तुम उसमें? What will you do in that? And then all of us, okay, there is this point when we all want to be rebels, ना? So we used to go to our local tailor कि थोड़ा इसमें फैशन कर दो, थोड़ा सा कुछ तो little like subtle fashion कुछ तो कर दो.
Which the teachers would miss or catch.
मतलब sometimes they used to catch. अभी लेकिन क्या ही करोगे? We have stitched the
हो गया, सिलाई हो गया.
अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता. अभी 1 साल यही है. Deal with it. You know, I had gotten one square neck. Square neck was not allowed. Square neck was not allowed. I had gotten one square neck.
Your parents allowed it?
Nah, that's what my mom is asking. Like, are you sure? I say, हाँ. अरे yes. आप काटो. Cut it. So the thing is that in my house, no, my mother used to always tell me that it really does not matter how you look.
Huh.
And even if 2 seconds more I spent in front of the mirror, na, my mom used to be like, it's like some
Sako.
sound, sako. Even my engineering, I was like major jalli.
This is in VTU.
Huh.
This is in Belgaum.
Yes, boys t-shirt, jeans, and then floaters. I never did whatever eyebrow shaping, threading, nothing. First eyebrow shaping happened after I joined radio.
Since you brought up radio, you brought up engineering. You say you're an you're engineer by what profession and radio professional by choice.
Choice.
Uh,
So cringe that is. So cringe. मेरा bio update करने का है यार. I have not done it only.
your journey with radio wasn't very rosy to start with. You had
no.
some really tough times. As
I
well.
have had, yeah, of course. Straight.
So wait, so from you're saying VTU in Belgaum, Belagavi, you came straight to Bangalore and joined a radio station as an intern. Kyun?
Because I was fascinated by radio. Okay. When Radio City started, tabhi,
Yeah.
we were like such fans.
Same,
yaar.
same.
We were such fans. Okay.
Correct.
Even before that, Akashvani was something that my father always played in the morning. So
Okay.
that Bhule Bisre Geet used to come at 7. Now my father used to play. And then usse pehle, where I was growing up with my grandparents in Dharwad, AIR was a big deal.
Uh-huh.
AIR was a big deal. So there was this small segment called Hindi Part in AIR, where the Hindi teachers take 1, 2, 3 students and go to the radio station
Ah.
and they teach one word or something. It's one 15 minutes ka segment, okay? And my great grandfather back then, he used to listen to Hindi Part, and it used to come at I think 6:20. And he used to call me. He's like, Bala, it is there. Would you want to listen to it? I was always it was very. It was inculcated in me from a very small age. Listen to radio.
Radio, huh.
You know, it was really lovely. So, and then it became very cool. I heard Sindhu Shrikant,
Huh.
who is
On Radio City she was.
No, she was on Fever.
You're in Fever?
Yeah,
Okay, huh.
she was in Fever, and now she's like a very good friend. And she said, I'm a dentist. I'm like, oh, matlab dentist, okay, if you can make it, I can also try.
Huh.
So I wrote, what I did was, my thing is that everything starts with restlessness. So Facebook back then, na, Facebook, I messaged like, you know, I'm very good at these things. Would you like to, like, you know, just see if there is any vacancy in your radio station? Immediately after 2 minutes, I'm like, bade vele hain yaar, ile 2 minutes mein respond bhi kar rahe hai. What is this? I said, come, why don't you come? So I went. Then there was this person who was the PD for Fever back then called Kiran Sridhar.
Ah, right.
Kiran Sridhar is like, why radio? I'm like, I don't know that, but I just know that it'll be fun to learn something. And I have a lot to give in terms of, like, you know, feedback or like what could.
You told the programming head that I have a lot to give in terms of feedback.
Feedback, like, you
Beautiful.
know, ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है.
हाँ.
Not what you're doing is wrong, because I was a fan.
हाँ.
But ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Maybe you could do this. And not like that. And then he was like, okay, ठीक है, अभी तो we don't have this thing for interns. अभी we have already one intern. And you get in touch with me after 3 months. I was like, okay, fine, 3 months. In 3 months, Kiran Sridhar has left. I'm like, अरे पहले फिर से starting से बोलना पड़ेगा. Then I reached out, and then Harsha was very nice. Harsha was the PD, and then he's
yes.
like, why don't you come? I'm like, okay, आती हूँ. Then he said, अच्छा, there might be a very interesting opportunity for you. Why don't you come? I'm like, we spoke yesterday for internship. Why are you calling again? Then it was for the producer of Morning Show.
Morning show.
Okay, and then I was like, okay, nice, and all of that. And the person who was hosting the morning show did the interview, and I was like, I thought I killed only. But then they hired the other person who had come with me because she had a degree in TV and radio. And I thought it was a valid reason because usko to matlab, she will know what to do. But I got internship, she got job.
Right.
I'm like, win-win situation. But I'm also like, I'm thinking like, what
Nishana.
should I aim for? Because after 3 months, they should not ask me to go. Because I don't know what to do after that. Then again, this whole thing of MS, GRE likho.
But not not what you'd studied till then, which was engineering.
No, matlab, I will have to do something now.
Huh.
Matlab, not that my parents were rich enough to get me married to some rich. That was also not there. And I had like very high standards when it comes to men. तो उसके लिए I had to be very good to be able to aspire
Is
for
this
something.
because of the convent student attention
No,
you
no,
got?
no, no,
when-
no.
Acha.
I'm a cerebral person.
Cerebral.
I wanted somebody very smart, very articulate, very, मतलब, you know, कि life with this person should feel like exciting. Like,
You wanted
know,
all of this in the same person.
Yes.
Okay.
I got also.
So good. Congratulations.
Thank you. So I was like, you know, I can't be like Vela and expect कि मुझे तो मतलब Rajkumar चाहिए. That's very unrealistic. So I'm like, what do I do after that? So I had like, you know, ठीक है, we'll do figure out, but let's give our best these 3 months so that the company feels
Feels
कि
like
मतलब
this
ये
value
तो
है.
this girl we want.
हाँ.
So I was very, very committed in giving my best, whatever it is. Then I was like, you know, I was having fun. But what happened was the person who was hired,
The TV radio
the
degree
TV
person.
radio, she ran away
Uh-huh.
for reasons known. But
I can feel a little undercurrent there.
for reasons known, she left. She left. She said, मेरे को jaundice हो गया है. But jaundice हो गया तो वापस तो आएगी नहीं. She didn't come only. Then who was the
Bakra.
next? Who was the next Bakra? Then I was very happy. I was like, almost मिल ही गया है job. मतलब, but they took time to formalize it यार. क्योंकि मतलब 3,000 रुपए में इतना काम करवाना is much easier than actually pay salary.
That's true. While you were at Fever, and you just gotten your show, and then you moved to a foreign country, didn't you?
Yes.
That was Switzerland.
Yes.
Switzerland. And that was because your husband had a
Yes,
job there, something, right?
yes.
Right. That's where Kaki came
Yes,
into
yes,
your.
that's where Bajumani Kaku started. And that was also like, abhi, I was like, you know, we were just randomly saying, and I was telling my husband, ki there's nothing cool happening in.
Again, in the Kannada space. That was the.
Yeah, that was the thing. And then he was like, yeah, that's true. And one fine day, I just took the phone and did one video. And because of the time difference, I posted it at 4 a.m. there, which is 7 a.m. here. So post karke, I slept. And then I wake up and I'm like, what is happening? Then I made it a point to post every Monday. And then people feel so close to that character. It's amazing. I've actually stopped doing it, but I still get messages like, you know.
You've not taken her on stage.
No.
You don't do that.
I don't do that. I don't do that because it's also very hard to stay in character for an hour. I don't think I can
Right.
sustain that. And I want to be myself on stage, to be very honest.
Fair.
You know, I think I'm very comfortable being myself on stage. I'm not comfortable being myself on camera. So these are.
Right. What I'm surprised by is that you came back. You went.
Yeah,
most
also from
people,
Switzerland.
Yes, most people who go back,
Yeah.
go out
Yeah.
and to a country like Switzerland wouldn't come back unless there was something pressing. Maybe parents. Why did you come back?
So, Ajay always wanted to come back because he lived in Europe for the longest time. So, he did his PhD there, he did his master's there. And he's like, I want to go back. And I was also like, you know, I'm the only child of my parents. I mean, like, I do want to be with my parents for the longer period of time where I'm not like, you know, visiting and all of that. And also, we lived in a village in Switzerland.
Okay.
I mean, it was the best life I've. I think it was this fine taste of retirement for those 2 years. I mean, it was perfect. There was nothing to complain. The best milk, the best cheese, the best view.
Wow.
Like you have 20. You actually feel you have 24 hours. You don't feel ki where is the time going? Time is
Slow there.
You know, then so I used to drop my husband to his institute. Then I used to go for a walk. Then I used to find another. So there was another couple where the wife was doing her postdoc and the husband was, taking care of the house. They were from New Zealand. Then we used to go, me and him, go grocery shopping, buy things. On the way, have some coffee or maybe wine and go home and cook. And our spouses come and then lunch. It was like I was Heidi. Basically, okay.
Oh, I haven't heard that name in such a long time.
I lived a great life. Okay,
This was 2 years, 3 years.
This was 2 years, yeah. Then I told Ajay, "Abhi jana hai to now we are going.
Otherwise, I'll.
Don't ask me to come after
Roots
1
will
year.
start
I
growing.
can't. Then he got a great offer from the company that he's working in right now, and we moved. Then there was there was an opening in Radio City again.
Huh.
That I think was a thora galat decision for me, because I just did not belong to that place. You know
Culture-wise, you mean?
You know when you walk in and you feel like arey
Vibes.
ಏನೋ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಯಾಕೋ ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ I felt that, but somehow I pulled that also for like 3 years.
Ooh, you did for 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because stand up had not taken off, and I'm like, there must be something.
You have to answer in one word. Your relationships. Okay? Your relationship with radio.
Ex-love.
Oh, damn. With parents.
Friendship.
Stand up.
It's things. It's my soul. I feel. I feel very.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I can feel it. It's
Yeah.
like it's just coming out. That
Yeah. I don't go on stage. I miss something very badly. So I'm like, I keep telling my manager, I'm like, Namit, kuch put a show. And then after the show is done, I'm like, okay, good. We are good.
Okay.
It's become more of a therapy.
It's a drug.
Yeah.
Audience
Fun.
and money.
Necessary.
Okay. Yeah, you did one entire tour with Punyakoti, right? You went to how many cities?
We did 12 cities abroad, and then we did all the major cities in India.
Yeah.
We have not gone to Bombay yet.
How do you fund this? Like, firstly, I mean, if you're doing it in your own city, you're doing it in India, you have a sense ki itna travel hai, itna accommodation hai. I have a sense of I'll get people in. But when you go to a foreign country, where is the courage coming from to be able to do something like that? And aren't you scared?
No, I was very excited. I was very excited because when I started doing Kannada comedy, a lot of people, like, you know, used to ask me. In fact, so many times I was rejected from a corporate show because I don't do comedy in English. And then,
Okay.
you know, like, nahi, local to nahi, and all of that. You know how it is, right?
Right.
And unfortunately, as harsh as it sounds, there is an entitlement that comes with knowing Hindi and not the local language.
Okay.
You know, there is that thing, that undercurrent is always
Yes,
there. Ki
yes.
matlab, nobody is making that effort to learn
To
the
learn the
language.
language, right.
I speak Hindi in between. That's because of my schooling. That's because of KV,
Yeah.
where there is like constant Hindi. Like wahan pe to like English bhi Hindi mein they used to teach. So it was that kind of, it was so intense. But so everybody used to say like, okay, she will do shows in Bangalore or maybe in Karnataka. Where else can she do shows?
Right.
So I was like, oh, yeah, maybe they're right. How will I find my audience? But then 1 or 2 messages used to come, Arey, why don't you come to London? Why don't you come to Dublin? I'm like, then my then producer, my manager, Charan, he reached out to a company in London who were mainly producing shows for South Indian artists.
Okay.
So they were like, okay, can we do this? And then we worked out the model. We were like, you know, whatever tickets we sell, we'll share it. It's not like nobody is funding us. We are funding ourselves. And then, you
So
know.
it's completely bootstrapped in that sense.
Yes. And then, to my luck, 2023, October was my first international tour. We did London and Dublin. We get like 1 month pehle, they are telling Dublin is sold out. I'm like, yeah, what?
That's amazing.
I'm like, what? I'm like, great. Then after 2 weeks, we get a thing that Birmingham is also sold out. I'm like, wow.
And these were how many seaters?
These are like 150, 170. Didn't go very ambitious with like, you know.
With 150, 170, you could cover costs?
I made money that tour actually.
What?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I made money that tour. Then London was a big show. It was 300 people. London was 300 and London show was sold out. And then I was like, okay, great. We are starting on a good note.
Peace.
Yeah. And then the shows went great. And then I was like, because it's my first international tour, I took my mom, my daughter, my husband, everyone. So the first show was a little, I think I was a little nervous. Then I picked up. And then the last show was the show in London, and it was amazing. And then one really senior person who is like a very big guy in research. In biochemistry, and he was like one of those people monumental in figuring out the COVID situation in London. So he was like a really big guy. And he gave me a standing ovation, and then I was like, unko dekh ke everybody stood up, and in one corner my mother is crying. I'm like, what is this? And I'm like, okay, what just happened? What just happened?
Beautiful.
It was amazing. And after that, I was like, okay. Then you also like recalibrate. No, what is it that I'm in? Why am I in this?
Right.
What is it? Is it the fame? That was like, okay, matlab, what next? But for me, the joy of telling my story and people finding joy in hearing that, that's what
it.
matters.
Right.
I mean, of course, I am concerned about the business aspect of it because this is my job.
Correct.
Which is why I have a manager, because sometimes मैं भावनाओं में बह जाती हूँ.
To keep you on track.
And then my manager is like, no, please. Like, everybody used to say, like all these big comics whenever I meet, just have fun. I'm like, how do you have fun when you know that 300 people have paid to watch you?
Right.
With the fear of knowing that you have a very significant chance of bombing.
Yes.
But now I know what it means to have fun. I have fun. I do like miss couple of bits sometimes. That the audience will never know.
Yeah.
Only Ajay knows, and he'll come and say like, you missed that joke. I'm like, oh no. And then I move on. So that was the first tour. Then the second tour happened. It was in a different business model. They were like, we are going to pay you a certain amount. We are
So
going
performance
to take care
fee kind
you.
of, right.
We're going to take care of your stay, etc. And those were 2 shows in Australia, in Sydney, and 1 in Melbourne. That was also great. Then after that, I did a Europe tour, which was not financially viable.
Okay.
We went in a loss.
Okay.
Because of this one stupid city called Paris. Never liked that city. Never liked. I thought it was so overrated.
Yes.
Always thought it was overrated. And now they proved me right. Like,
Yes.
because the venue cost was high. And the Kannadigas are like, ye to kitna expensive hai, and all of that. I'm like, ठीक है मत आओ. या मत आओ. I mean, like, what can I do, dude? Like, what can I do? And then some Gucci happened. Like, कुछ लोगों को we gave like, because desperation na, to sell tickets. So we sold some tickets for
At
a lesser
discount
price.
and-
The other people got
Got
to
to know,
know. Like, ये क्या हो गया? So I was like, अरे.
Okay.
But then after that, I've become very क्या बोलते हैं? Now I have nothing to prove. I don't feel that
Okay.
I want to show you guys कि Kannada has an audience. It has audience.
It has an audience.
It has
yeah,
an audience.
yeah.
Now I will decide when I want to go. And
So, see, right now, we're doing this entire chat mostly in English, right? How will your followers react to
my
this?
followers know English.
Yeah, but there's
What
also, isn't there a section that also says
Kannadadalli
Kannada matadi?
Paragilla, no problem. See, I'm saying my love for language does not mean that I cannot speak any other language. I speak very good Hindi. I speak decent English. I will never, you can never dispute the fact that it has more reach. But then when there is time, when there is an opportunity, I am doing comedy in Kannada. What else do you want? There is a huge chunk of audience in Kannada space that has given up on Kannada content.
Content overall,
Yes.
including movies and stuff like
Yes, because I'm telling you, like, the kind of movies that we are making is very formula based. There is a hero, there is a villain, there is a damsel in distress. There is nothing more. And we've been watching it since the 70s.
Right.
So the people need to be seen. They need to be felt seen. Now, if I talk about something that has happened in my life, a lot of people felt seen that yes, this has happened
To
with
me also, related, right?
So that is the thing. But that's not why I do comedy. I do comedy because I'm excited to tell my stories. And then, like, I'm like, hey, like, this is what happened. And it's so funny. It's so, it's so, and also then now, as I do comedy, I'm tending towards talking more about what as women we feel. And this is coming from a household that has been absolutely unbiased, okay? I have not been brought up in a household where there is a difference between a guy and a, okay? But I see it everywhere. And I think that's my bigger purpose, that women find courage to do what they want to do. There have been times when I have got comments like, you know, women like you can never have a family, can never have a husband, you know.
These are-
So the problem is women with opinions. Na?
Yeah.
The society in general has problem with women with
Yeah,
opinions.
yeah.
It's always that women love me, they get their husbands. I want to be loved by women because it feels more loyal.
Are you the biggest star in Kannada comedy?
I don't know. I don't prefer labels. It really doesn't matter.
Are you blushing a little bit?
No, I'm not.
I feel you are.
No, I'm
Just
not.
little bit. Look at that.
My manager sometimes is like, oh, you. This fame part of it, I started enjoying when I started getting that fame from digital. And you know when? Because when I used to go out with my parents, they used to recognize me. And even when I was in Switzerland, they recognized my mother in a metro.
So cute.
So I was like, okay, this is nice.
It's nice, yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah.
I like this. But I think that feeling for me was very short-lived. Well, not that I don't enjoy it, I'm not grateful for people
Right,
who
right.
come. No, but I don't center my life around that validation.
That valid. Right. Got it.
My most embarrassing time is when people introduce me on stage. Like as a queen of Kannada, I'm like, ye kya hai bhai? What is this queen of? They had put banners in one mall where I performed saying Queen of Kannada Comedy. I'm like, what is this Queen of Kannada Comedy? Goodness, these labels are so cringe.
Would you go back to radio?
No.
No.
Because I'll tell you, my second stint was not very satisfying. Money wise also, creative wise also. तो like आत्मा बेच रही हो तो पैसे तो मिले.
आत्मा कहाँ बेच रही हो?
नहीं मैं बोल रही हूँ like those RJ mentions are आत्मा बेचना
That
only
is
by
true.
the way.
I forgot. Okay, so I'll tell you. The reason for me Atma Becho didn't happen is because I used to do the morning show.
Huh.
And morning show mein there in the station that I worked
Yeah,
in.
is brought to you by.
There were no RJ mentions.
Yeah.
So I didn't have to do mentions.
हाँ,
So it was not Atma
And then I'll tell you the worst part is when you do afternoon show कि सुबह के RJs जो नहीं करते हैं mentions, we have to do that.
Cover up.
We have to cover up for the things that they do. So I was like, so now I'm like I'll do. मतलब I will talk about any real estate property overlooking any lake. But you give me one property from that property that I'm talking about. I'm not going to do it.
man.
You know, like
Oh yeah, the real estate RJ mentions are they're just the same.
helipad. Why am I selling helipad, Baba? है क्या मेरे पास हेलीकॉप्टर हाँ कुछ भी
And properties starting only 2.5 crores.
that is too much. See, that's what.
Totally.
That is I want to reach a stage where I can also say only 2.5. So if radio is going to pay me, then I'll go.
I'm like, how are you saying only 2.5 crores? How?
But for also, on a serious note, I don't think I can go back to a proper job now. anymore.
Acha, okay. Like you can't report to someone. If you are not defined by what you do, who are you?
I am a happy, satisfied, content person.
Very good. Beautiful.
I am very easygoing most of the days. Some days I can be a pain.
Really?
But the world doesn't know that.
Who knows that?
My
People at home.
husband, My husband.
And how does that manifest? The pain?
So it's multiple, okay? It's a spiral, na? One thing leads to another, right? So it could be PMS also sometimes, but sometimes it's not PMS also. It's just social media making you feel that you're so inadequate.
Oh,
you
you-
don't belong here. I
Do you still feel that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
After the amount of success you've got?
What amount? I don't think that matters at all. It's just for me. I think what I've realized is I need to keep working. It has nothing to do with money flow, fame, success, numbers, nothing.
Oh.
I need to keep working.
Okay,
I
so
just-
so you're secure in that the fact that you have to keep working.
I have to work. Yes.
Therefore, why does a comment bother you?
No, it's not about. No, it's not comment.
Oh, then?
Arey, it's not comment, na.
Then?
Then like I get into this zone of comparing myself. with others. I do that.
What specifically are you comparing?
I see only the good things. मतलब उनका life must be टट्टी only, but I am only seeing कि क्या चल रहा है इनका life है मस्त हाँ. I'm तो like what am I doing in my life? Especially I'll tell you the toughest time for I think any freelancer is April May because March is great.
Women's Day.
March is great for me. Okay, March is like I'm like अरे इतना पैसा if I'm making every month I'll be sorted. But then comes April, then comes May, and how it has been designed. Okay, summer vacation. Okay, your child is at home. Okay, and you have nothing. You are getting restless. Ki where is the next work coming from? Because right now no budgets have been allotted.
Yes.
Okay.
Financial year beginning for everybody.
Okay, and then my problem is this. Okay, if you don't have budget, why is entertainment your priority? First figure out your budget. So we get these अभी budget नहीं है अभी will you do it for अरे no भाई see I am no okay I have done that I have done freaka job and all of that now I don't want to do because I really work very hard मतलब it is so for me you know what is the testament of a good show is that next day I get headache if I get headache means I have killed it if I don't get headache I'm like che yaar what is this
no but I agree from an artist's point of view, even when people ask me, like for example, they'll say, come and judge this competition in my college.
You've done that?
I've done. And I'll say, how much are you going to pay me? They say, there's no money. I said, what do you mean there's no money? Do you not have sponsors? Are you not giving your contestants prize money? What do you mean there's no money? You're asking for my time. And for me, that time is so... My time is valuable.
That is what I'm saying. Time is valuable. The effort we put is valuable. For any corporate show, we are not like I say we are going. We are doing calls. We are understanding what your corporate culture is. You know, we are talking to these upper management people. What do they like? What do they don't like? And so there is effort.
There's a lot of work that
There's
goes in.
There's so much effort. So for me, that apart from that, मतलब कितना भी effort डालो, I think April May is ठंडा max. Okay. I am like, yeah, what is this happening? Yeah, no deal is coming. What is this? And then my manager is always like, what is with you? Why do you have this syndrome of grass is greener on the other side? I said, but the grass is greener on the other side. देखो ना, हर दूसरा video इसके feed पे branding. I'm like, dude, ये क्या है? What is this? Why am I not? But then you know, I also cringe at that brand video.
Yeah.
Because it's such a direct plug-in. मतलब कुछ भी नहीं. Like Kellogg's खाओ. I'm like, ठीक है क्यों? Why do I have to? Okay, I'm like, okay, do something more. So see, the thing is that people like me, I'm happy, satisfied, all of that is there, but we are not happy with what we do. We are also very critical about like ये इतना better हो सकता था.
Yeah, but that's a given.
So it is always that, na. So these months are like this is the time when I feel like I'm not enough. I'm not doing enough.
And how does the husband deal with that?
Husband is very this thing. He's not like that. I know how an artist's brains work. You know, you have to use this time in doing something, which I do. But then still you feel कि यार मतलब मैं kill नहीं कर रही हूँ life में.
अच्छा.
You know, like I'm not.
Even though you are.
नहीं.
According to you, you are not.
I'm not. I don't see. The thing is that for me, no, positive is ठीक है. Positive is normal. Negative is where I'm like, why is this happening? But then it also, okay, I have also figured out, you know, how to come out of that rut where you feel that you're not enough.
Please tell us.
I watched something so shitty that
That your content looks good.
Yes. Okay, and then I'm like, "Chee, tu log ye log kar abhi dekho, I will show you what it is."
Nice.
So I'm petty like that.
It's beautiful. You got to be.
I'm petty like that. But you have to find your process now,
Correct.
what to do.
Fair,
I can't be all. And then I've also realized that every year my way of dealing with this changes. Abhi, last year what happened when I was in this rut, I went on this massive shopping spree because money was there. Now money is also not.
Achha.
What do I do?
Can I ask you how much you spent?
I don't keep
on this manic impulse
no,
buying.
I can't. I'm telling you.
What did you buy?
Oh, dude. That's a. वो तो मतलब it's a bottomless pit. अभी as you start growing, you get to know about these different brands, these different skincare brands, and what they do. But they work, man.
Oh, yeah?
Oh my God. I mean, the more you pay for a skincare brand, the more better you look, I feel.
I feel that's just psychological.
No, no, no,
Because इतना पैसा दिया है तो
नहीं, नहीं,
मतलब
नहीं,
I have to believe
नहीं,
ना.
नहीं, no, no, no. I'm telling you, either great genes, okay? हाँ, great genes तो छोड़ ही दो, वो जाने दो.
That's
But I'm-
me.
हाँ, yeah. But then these products, they really are good, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're really good. Then you makeup, no, skincare.
Routines.
Makeup and all,
Yeah,
leave
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Makeup
Fair.
not there, no problem. Skincare. These are the things. I'm the vainest person if I have money.
If you have money.
If I have
But that's good. You have
मतलब
that
नहीं है तो
awareness.
क्या ही करोगे? What will you do? I not to an extent where I will do like take loan from people for skincare and all that all I'll not do. But I'm like अब if I go like last year I was touring. Okay, I was in Australia. I'm like मेरे को I want to go to that place that has been started by this master chef contestant. It was a dessert bar.
Right.
I'm like मेरे को जाने का इधर, मेरे को खाने का इधर, and then whatever money I made was spent there only.
Beautiful. Great.
No, what great. This is not bad financial
Bad
advice.
that's
this is.
true.
Okay, and my manager keeps making fun of me. तू तो मतलब $100 का dessert खा के आ जाएगी. I'm like, dude, it's an experience. What else are we living for?
Correct.
हाँ,
Right.
बनाओ
Right.
पैसा, उड़ाओ
उड़ाओ
पैसा.
पैसा,
This
correct.
is what life is all about.
You have a very interesting relationship with food, don't you?
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Which is the most expensive food you've eaten in life?
I've eaten quite a few expensive meals.
Most tell?
In Bangalore.
Anywhere. You can say Bangalore, you can say on your tour, you can say anywhere.
When I went to London, I went to that Leto, Cafe Leto,
Okay.
which was very popular for milk cake. So I did that. And then...
That was how much?
110 pounds.
For a slice. Huh.
I told you, right? Andha paisa. Then I've had... See, the thing is that it's my indulgence. So
Fair.
for me, it could be either buying expensive ingredients and making something at home. That also I'm game. I love cooking also.
Okay.
And I love... and it's not just expensive. I like great food.
Huh.
So
Yeah,
it
that's
could
just
be an amazing... There's one great cart in Jayanagar who makes best idlis and dosa. He's called Krishnan Dose Cart. Okay, he's so good. बैठने के लिए जगह कुछ भी नहीं है. But he comes in at like 5 o'clock in the evening.
Acha, evening.
In the evening, and must piping hot idlis he'll give, and must dosa he will give. You sit on the road and then you eat. So for me, taste is important. Money is not. But have I had expensive meals that have not been satisfying? Yes,
Of course.
I've had.
Of course.
Have I had the other way? Yes,
Yes.
I've had. But then if somebody recommends something to me, I definitely like to try.
Okay.
And then I like to...
What is the most out of the way you've gone for food? Like you tell us.
Okay. So this happened in London, okay? I had seen one guy who makes these sandwiches in some like Banerghatta of London, okay? And I was on the other end, okay? I'm airport, that is Banerghatta.
And this only because you saw it. I mean, you hadn't seen reviews, nothing, no recommendation,
I don't go
nothing.
by reviews. I go by
Recommendation.
people who recommend.
So someone recommended. it.
Someone recommended, and this guy I follow on Instagram. I like his recommendations, so I followed.
Acha, okay.
And was not a letdown. It was called Dusty Knuckle in London. Great sandwiches.
Beautiful.
Great.
Yeah, recently I saw a post on Insta about Anant Nag.
Yeah.
And it felt like you were trying to do a Rajinikanth
Yes.
for Anant Nag.
Yes, that was the thought.
Why?
Yes.
What happened?
So he won Padma Bhushan, and he has always been my favorite Kannada actor. Okay,
Oh.
two Kannada actors, and I will tell you why also. One was Dr. Rajkumar for his mythological films.
Right.
I loved it, and it kind of like went hand in hand with the stories that I heard from my grandparents.
Right.
Those were one of my favorite like films. I still go and watch them. I think it's so dramatic and so lovely, and
So over the top.
so over the top and so nice. Babruvana is one of my favorite Kannada films. That whole face off when it happens, I love it. And then it was Anant Nag. And why Anant Nag? Because now in hindsight, when I think, because he was not scared to play grey characters. Like he played a con man. He played a non-hero guy. Like, you know, no dancing, nothing. Like a regular guy when he falls in love with somebody, how it is. You know, it was so slice of life. And if I have to draw parallels, what Amol Palekar was
Yeah, yeah,
for
yeah, yeah.
Bollywood,
Bollywood.
Anantnag was for Kannada.
So for him, it was more the craft than anything else. Is that?
Yeah, and also the kind of stories he chose to tell were so relatable. Like it's so relatable when you hear a story about women putting in money and a man running away with it. Na? Matlab, it has happened with somebody in our family, right? So that movie was called Yari Go Helbadi. So he takes money basically from all the women and says, "Don't tell I've taken money," and that was the whole theme. And he goes and buys a house for himself while these women are like, you know, completely gone. Then he did this film called Beladingala Bale, which was one of my favorite romantic films because it was not romantic in its truest sense. Like you never get to see the face of the heroine. So she is somebody who admires this chess player and she's on a call with him all the time. And he's a chess player, he's a grandmaster. Like imagine like playing a chess player, being a chess player, lead hero. You know, it's so rare, right? You don't make a chess guy lead.
No, but you know I think that the body of Kannada films that happened during that time, right, in the early 80s, 90s, the body of work was far more diverse than what it is today.
Yes. And also, a lot of movies were based out of novels, which was fun. Like
Right.
wonderful to watch. It had more depth, the characters were well written.
Right.
And it was actually, if you look at it, less work for writers because the story
Story's
was
already
already
there.
there.
Right.
You had to just adapt it, which is also a lot of work. I'm not saying, but something was already there.
Yeah.
You know, like there was this film called Manasa Sarovara, which I watched, and it like messed up with my brain because it was in that Sadma space. You
Okay.
watch Sadma,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So there's this woman who is mentally not fine, and the doctor treats her, and then the doctor falls ill and the woman gets better. So it's so heartbreaking. So those were all novel inspired movies which did so well. Now the condition of Kannada literature is so bad, and I, not that I'm an avid Kannada reader, my husband is. He does this thing called Padayatre every month, where basically these Kannada language lovers in their true sense, who are not aggressive. They love the literature. They are the, they still read Kannada books. For me, that's a huge plus when you're talking about anything. When you're not doing anything and just say Kannadadal Matadi, it has no base. Now, this is a group of people who read, and they decide ki this time when we meet, we are going to read this person's poetry, and they discuss poetry, and it's very beautiful. So he was telling me that when a new author is now publishing in Kannada, they are publishing only 100 copies because there are no takers. So where is the literature going?
Maybe the Booker Prize will help.
Hopefully, but in general, reading as a habit is just not there anymore, right? You want everything in short, even the news in short. That app is there, right?
I'm a culprit.
Yeah, because we want everything, we want to consume everything in short. So nobody's reading, nobody's staying with the book if it is slow, you want everything like chaka-chak. So because there is, I feel, if we start giving importance to our literature, because there are lots of stories that need to be told, can be adapted to screen, I think we will bring back that era. But the problem is we are just like formula.
And what about your writing? What's your process of writing?
My process keeps changing. I am trying different things every time, and because at the end of the day, when you work alone, you also have to keep yourself excited. I can't do the same thing and then I'll be like, ye to boring ho gaya. So now my previous process was different. Now this time my process is like, I have a umbrella thought, like this is the theme that I want to work in, and I'm like going back in time, being in present, seeing which of the stories, which of the anecdotes have potential for exaggeration, because it has to be exaggerated, right? So I'm this is my process right now. But I have been a good New Year resolution follower, at least in this aspect, that from January till now I have written 4 pages every day.
Show up every day.
Yes.
I think that is
The
the
thing.
biggest
And
fight, no?
that's the toughest part when you are a freelancer doing your job where you don't have deadlines.
So in terms of just like in terms of a process flow for yourself, right? So you did Punyakoti, and you're working on another special right now.
This is, I can't say it's done. I mean, whatever we have to add more jokes, make it more funny. This one is called High Risk Low Return. Some of the stories from my childhood are very very close to my heart. I've brought them out in this one. There are a couple more stories which I think I will probably bring it in the next one. But I think I've had like a supremely interesting childhood.
So which is the one standout thing that an audience member has told you that is like, that's why I do this.
There was a woman who came with her husband and she was newly married and she said my husband has never laughed this much in 1 year of our marriage. I'm like, oh, that's sweet but also sad.
Yeah,
But-
I know.
but
You
I'll
don't know
take
how to
that.
react to
I'll
that,
take
no?
that. I'll take that. And then, oh, I've had. I recently did a show where I had a 90-year-old uncle sit in the front row, and he laughed so much, and I'm like, wow. So sometimes your audience surprises you.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the minute you see, you're a little scared. Ki matlab,
Kya
will
hoga?
the jokes land?
Yeah.
Because some of them can be a little edgy, but they love it. Yeah, they love it. And he said, I will come and watch your show again.
Oh.
And I was like, and he said, like, and he's from Bangalore, so he changed his dialect. He's like, Matte rokka kot barti. I was like, please. I had one show when I had grandmother, mother, daughter.
3
All three
generations.
of them come. All three of them.
Lovely.
And it's lovely. It's lovely to see that. And for me, it's wow, like, yes, yes. But I don't think I'm very clean comic. I think I'm edgy.
Yeah, I think I've watched some of your reels and I'm like, I did not expect you to go into that space,
Yeah.
but you did, and I think it's very interesting.
Yeah, so the thing is that
Also, when you do your crowd work,
yeah.
it's interesting that you're not playing safe.
No, I mean, the thing is that, so luckily that fear is not there yet. And also like, there are multiple coping mechanisms because see, when you do a set that is not favoring the men, just telling
Yeah.
how they behave in general, that also men don't like. Like for me, it's a pain when I drive with a man because they think that they need to tell me everything that I need to do. And this is in a household like mine where there are no misogynists,
Right.
but it's pain. So when I brought that out, a lot of women relate to it.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of men who take offense.
Correct.
Kyun? Why are you not taking offense when the same thing is said about women? Oh, my wife spent so much on this one little bag. Why is that not offensive? Why are women taking that? Men, thoda ego ka problem hai.
थोड़ा क्या? बहुत.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're little fragile.
I don't think it's little fragile. I think
very
they're very fragile.
No,
I agree with
I'm
you.
playing safe.
No, very, very fragile.
Very fragile.
Yeah.
So I'm like, just sometimes, my husband's friend, he came to my show and said, Solpa male bashing just anastu. I was like, really?
Howda?
Really? Howda?
Yeah.
So, but I don't let that affect me. If they come and tell me it's not funny, I will change. But if it has upset you, made you like a little, then to theek hai,
Yeah,
then nahi do.
correct.
Matlab, I'm not going to change that.
Fair.
Okay, please come and tell me, no, maja nahi aaya. And it has happened. Arey, my first trial show was a disaster, yaar.
Yeah? What do you mean first trial show?
First trial show of this new
High
show
risk, no return.
I mean, like it still gives me chills. कि मतलब जो हगा है stage पे मैंने.
कितने लोग थे?
That is a good thing. There were some 15-20 people.
Huh.
That is a good thing. But what I have done on stage, I think my husband was extremely angry. He was like, "What is this?"
Because your jokes didn't land, because
No,
you
because
bombed, the content was.
A lot of it was missing. A lot of it. Thoda jokes ka problem tha, thoda mera problem tha. Everything, okay? Everything that could have gone wrong. But the audience was so kind because they liked me.
Yeah. And that's such a boon.
Yeah, they like me. They were like, "Chanagittu." I'm like, hey, don't lie like
Nijja
that.
hello.
Nijja ಹೇಳಿ. And it was so bad. I'll tell you why. Because my husband was going for a work trip for 2 weeks, so he wouldn't be available for my next trial shows. So he went in full. मतलब ये कल क्या करने वाली है? What is she going to do tomorrow? Sat the whole night, restructured the whole show because I knew I had jokes. I just had to, like, juxtapose it in a certain way for it to be more effective. I did that, and then the next show was solid kill, like solid kill.
So tell me, there is a certain structure, right? There's this. You have understood a certain science to doing this. Does that come from you having done engineering in some form?
Maybe, I don't know. I can't say that because it's also the thing is that what has come from engineering is persistence. Is like be at it and not give up, and not make your craft dependent on how many followers you're getting, how many brand deals you're getting. Because I am in this for a long game. I want to do this when I'm 60, when I'm 40. So I am not.
You're not yet 40.
Hello.
Wow.
तोर से बिटरला गणसर बुद्धि तोर से बिटरला. I'm way far from 40.
Yeah, we.
Way far. No, but I'm saying कि when you look at it as a career, then overnight success is not a goal.
Yeah, absolutely. I understand.
Then for me, selling out stadiums is not a goal. If it has to happen, it will happen. But that's not the goal I'm working for. I'm working for like something that is, मतलब even after मेरे को तो ऐसा है, मतलब after I die, what will people think of me? It really doesn't matter because I'm dead already. But what will people?
What will they remember?
Yeah,
Fair.
it's nice if you die young, because then the whole
Which would be
thing-
sometime now.
Yeah, but that's not happening.
It's not happening?
My vitals are perfect. Perfect. Like the
Good to know.
doctor is like, क्या ही कर रहे हो? What is this? इतना perfect कैसे हो सकता है?
It's your skincare routine.
Like this Korean skincare, huh? So that is a good way. But then if that's not happening, तो मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी to build. And it's not legacy, I just want to be good, like थोड़ा timeless type.
Like an Anant Nag. Yeah?
थोड़ा ऐसा, yeah.
Feelings is there.
Yeah, that feeling is there, and then like get better, push the boundary because the audience is ready, man.
Yeah.
The audience, I'm telling you, my Kannada audience is like, matlab, even if you want, no matter how good you are as an English comic, you will not get this audience. Ye audience, they treat me like their home person, yeah. That's the thing.
I think that's the beauty of the vernacular also, no?
Yeah.
Is this a certain immediate Manninna Maga concept?
that
Magalu
home,
concept?
home.
Yeah.
So I went to Mangalore to do a show. This lovely lady, she gets me mangoes from her garden. It's like, handbitittu, so I got it for you. I'm like,
You actually, and I've seen this
Yeah.
because I used to work in a radio station
Yeah.
where we had a Hindi station and a Kannada station. And the kind of things that the Kannada RJs would get,
yeah.
the kind of, the things that they would get,
Yeah.
very
Yeah, I never got as a Kannada
never.
RJ.
Yeah. Oh, as a Kannada RJ. Okay.
No, but I don't know. Maybe I didn't do that connect. I think my connect was lacking. I know that. But in my shows, I love it when people. But it's not like aisa. Yeah, but that happened only once. That mango thing. It doesn't happen every now and then.
But-
people like to come and talk.
I can
and
see
then-
that. I can see that happening.
Yeah.
Okay, kind of got to wrap a little bit. So I have about 3 or 4 things that I want to talk to you about. Firstly, if you were to design a day in Bangalore, from morning to evening, where would you go? Who would you meet? What would you do?
Who? Matlab anybody.
Anybody.
Oh, nice, interesting. Okay. I would start my day with a walk in Sankey Tank.
Okay.
Because North Bangalore is love. Walk around the houses in Sadashiv Nagar and see, मतलब मैं कौन सा खरीद सकती हूँ.
अच्छा, वैसा.
Sadashiv Nagar is my favorite area.
Okay.
It's the perfect area. It has no potholes because all ministers.
All
are
day,
there.
yeah, right.
So I love Sadashiv Nagar. So I'll take a row at Sankey Tank. Then I will go and have Davangere Benne Dose in Malleshwaram Dose Corner.
Okay.
It's amazing. It's like the most underrated place. And this dosa I would like to have
With?
with.
Ah.
This is interesting. Somebody whom I haven't met, I'm thinking. Uh, Maybe Javagal Srinath.
Oh,
Yes. Because I had a small chance of doing a show for him or somebody related to him, and I couldn't do. And then I want to meet him.
okay.
Yeah, have a dosa with Javagal Srinath. And then I would like to come to the central part of Bangalore, and I would like to have a meal in Salvador in MG Road, Italian meal.
Come on, India.
Yes, and this I would like to have it with. I think one of my friends, Sindhu. Sindhu is also the a director. A movie
Oh,
director.
Achar and Co.
Yes,
Ah,
yes,
okay.
yes. Yeah, I'll have a meal with her, and then Sanjay, I will go to Aralimara for masal puri in South Bangalore. This I will have alone. It's a
Alone.
crowded place, not much to talk. And then I will probably go to Rangashankara
Ah,
and maybe catch a play
sweet.
and then eat akki roti.
At Anju's Cafe.
Yes.
Okay.
And then Vapas Barta, I will go to Richie Rich
Aha.
and crib about how expensive he is, but still why I keep going to that place.
And what you'll eat there?
Tawa pulao with cheese.
There's a certain logistic issue that I have here.
Yeah.
Okay. Play in Rangashankara in the evening starts at 7:30. It'll get over by about 8:39. From there to go to Richie Rich, it'll be about 10:30.
Richie Rich is open till 1:30.
Acha, okay. The timing
You
is...
think ये मैंने नहीं सोचा होगा? हाँ?
You know what is so amazing in this design of your day? It is only designed around food.
Yes, but in between,
Nothing was there.
Nothing was there. No, yeah.
For you, what are the five, like the seven wonders of the world? What are the five wonders of Bangalore?
Okay. First is GK VK.
Oh,
Unexplored territory near my house, close to my house.
Oh, it's
Love
beautiful.
It's lovely. Don't come.
Don't telling
Just
people
let
not
it
to come.
be how it is.
Okay, don't come.
Second wonders of Bangalore would be Chaudaya Memorial.
Oh,
Yeah, you know, like maybe a concert there. It's beautiful. It's like core Malleshwaram, nice,
Right.
lovely. Yeah, and for me, for some reason, it is Ragigudda because that was the most frequent temple that we visited as
Okay.
kids.
Okay.
And Puliogre Prasada in Ragigudda is too good.
Okay.
Too good.
Food has come back.
Food has come back.
Food has come
okay.
back.
Then the fourth one would be any of the lakes, like you know, the very not the Alsur lake,
not
but
the commercial
not
ones.
the commercial one, but in general, there's a lot of work happening,
Yeah,
cleaning of lakes.
yeah.
So it's beautiful, like
Right.
for an evening stroll. That's lovely. So these are the
Four,
places.
one more.
One more, five. I think the BMTC bus.
Oh,
My early 20s, I owe a lot to the conductors who woke me up because I used to fall asleep. That touchdown building bandit takshna, they used to be like, madam, band
oh, this is while going to work.
I used to leave at 5 a.m. na,
All right.
changing buses, and then I used to sleep.
So
at
you used to go from Sakar Nagar to HL
yes,
and by bus.
and by bus.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Okay.
But there also, I'm not like that, okay? मैंने AC bus pass I had taken.
Acha.
I'm like, we will travel like Queen.
The queen of comedy.
Oh no! We are not doing that. But yeah, BMTC bus, man. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I have something called the Bengaluru Dabba. In this Dabba, there are many things. Pick a number from 1 to 20, and I will tell you what your item is, and you have to tell me something associated story with that item.
Hey, this is cool. Okay, let's 7.
Okay. 7 is a movie ticket.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, I'll make it even sharper. A single screen movie ticket.
Yes, I had that
All right,
story
okay,
only.
go for it.
Okay, so this was.
Tell me where.
MG Road.
Galaxy. No, MG Road. Shankar Nag, Symphony.
Symphony.
Okay.
Symphony. So this was Symphony. Spider-Man
Okay.
1.
Huh.
Okay, I was in school everybody in class has watched Spider-Man. Everybody except me. They are talking about Spider-Man. I'm like, my parents are not willing to take me to the movie because there is a kissing scene.
Come on.
Okay, and they're like, how is this a children's movie if there is a kissing scene? And I have for a week convinced my parents, Ma, if that scene comes, I promise you I'm going to close my eyes. I'm not going to watch. Not going to watch a kissing scene. Just. And I did find Tobey Maguire very, very cute.
Yes, he is. I
Okay?
agree.
So I was like, "Ah, please." So then what happened? My mother said, I'm not coming. I'm not coming. I'm not coming. And then my father is like, okay, fine, I'll take you. I'll take you to
Aw.
watch Spider-Man. We went. There was this amazing, sorry, food again. There was this amazing churmuri person opposite Symphony who used to put raw mangoes in churmuri, which was back then path-breaking. So my father, now that everybody's putting mangoes in churmuri, my father made me buy that churmuri, and I'm like, abhi kha ke jate hain andar, we don't want. Because my one condition was that theatre ka snacks we are not going to eat. Because theatre ka snacks if you eat, you'll fall sick the next
Oh.
day. Okay, so I go and I watch, and I love the movie. I love the movie. And but too bad that all the movie theories etc have been discussed by my friends in school
So you know-
and had nothing to give. Like I had no hot takes on the film. And the only thing I was like, able to add is that with great power comes great responsibility in random places where it was not even required. So, oh my god! And I was really heartbroken when they shut Symphony. More so because that Churmuri wala went somewhere.
Went
I don't know
somewhere
where he went.
Do you have anything else to like ask me with this thing?
I wanted to ask you, as a father of a daughter,
Right.
Because I'm also on that path, na. What are your fears that your daughter might do this and I'm not ready for that?
Actually, nothing.
Really?
That way, nothing. Because I feel like whatever it is. Okay, so for me personally, I feel like anything that life throws at me, I have the ability to deal with it.
Okay.
I back myself to deal with it. So nothing really phases me or unsettles me too much.
Really?
Yeah, and I've thought about it. I'm like,
That's
with
amazing.
nothing really. I'm hoping that the way we interact with our daughter, that she will tell us. It's not
Yeah,
something
that's
we'll.
important.
It's not that we'll discover it from somewhere else, but because of the way we talk at home, the way we deal,
Yeah.
that you'll tell us. And always told her, tell us, and so that I have your back.
Correct.
So I know what to do when it is thrown at me.
Correct.
Right? So I'm hoping that works. But I don't think I of course it's
Like, aren't you scared that the person she likes, you might not like that person? That's my biggest fear. I'm like, ye pasand aaya tumko.
that will see it's
Because for me, I'm like, my daughter is the most superior.
so there's two ways, right? Either I like them.
Or you don't.
Yeah. Now if I like them, great. If I don't like them,
Yeah.
I can always tell my daughter later on, I told you so.
Oh, that I don't want to do. I really don't want to do that. That's my fear. I'm like, but like she's just 5. I mean, why am I even thinking this? But then, these, I see her little close to one boy in class. I'm like, itna bhi kya hai? Matlab,
No,
theek hai.
I in fact tease my daughter about the boys in class.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, so my daughter is not that age also.
Yeah.
Hai na?
But she
So-
so I right now I do.
My daughter is so naive. She sees, we went to Kabini a couple of weeks back and she saw a tusker and she thought that tusker was looking at her. She's like, maybe he wants to marry me. I said, it doesn't work like that.
Yeah, that is a problem.
That is a problem.
Yeah, if growing up, if that continues, then yes.
Maybe he wants to marry me. I said, there's nothing of that sort. Huh? He's not even
So
looking
cute.
at you.
So cute. Yeah. So in fact, to make it that it's okay, to make her feel that it's okay, we actually talk about it. I tease her about the boys in her class. I say,
Yeah.
do you have a crush on him?
Yeah.
Yes, so so that way
Yeah, I think that can be done. That can be done.
so hopefully we'll see. I mean,
think, yeah, but I also think that I feel no man is good enough for her.
Yeah. But see, listen, you had really high standards. You had for yourself. So I
Yes.
can imagine that it'll be even more for your daughter.
No, but I mean, it has paid me off well for having high standards, because I always went after stability more than anything
Yeah,
else.
fair.
And I wanted to go for a guy who is like very solid and not like carried away by random things.
In fact, I think that even for me, for my wife, it was
Yeah.
the solidity and the robustness
Yeah.
that was there. That was
Yeah.
like, I'd like that in my life.
Yeah, and that calmness, like,
Yeah.
because I'm like so high energy, so restless, and I need him to be around to like calm me
Yeah.
down. And so I think so it's always good to have high standards.
Yeah, yeah, I
Yeah,
agree.
yeah.
I agree.
मेरा तो mostly all check only. All
good.
check.
Great.
All check. Yeah.
Okay, to wrap, one last thing.
Yes.
If you were to write a postcard
Hmm.
to Bangalore, what would you say in it? Bangalore, Bengaluru, what would you say?
So, okay. So you are chaos wrapped in awesome weather. But at the same time, I feel that you are one of those places where a person does not feel that he is not enough. I have always felt that Bangalore is so welcoming to anybody who comes, where you don't feel out. You will find your people here, which is amazing, and nobody is rushing, unlike the other cities. Or I feel like you have a little house, you'll still be happy. I feel, if happiness is the goal,
Yes,
which
yes.
I think for most
For
of
many
us
people.
is. um, and I also feel that I have a huge amount of gratitude towards this city for giving me two of my dreams, one of which was I was very sure of, and one I wasn't, but it happened. And it was not like finding a parking spot or anything, it was like something more substantial. So I love the fact that this city makes you feel that you don't have to move anywhere else. I will take care of you.
Oh,
I
that's
love
beautiful.
that. And whatever said and done, the traffic, the pothole, वो सब ठीक है. I still feel that the city as a whole is very, very wholesome. And it's like, if I had to be in India, there would be no other
other city.
city that
I agree with you.
I would live in. There's no way.
Lovely. Thank you,
Thank you.
Sonu Venugopal. May your new special, high risk, low return,
Yes.
give you high returns.
Yes, that's the goal, and I hope I keep continuing. I keep to continue. I continue to do what I like, and I hope I have. It's a privilege to do what you like, and I hope
And the privilege you've earned.
that I don't know about,
I
but
think so.
I want to do it for a longer time. And thank you for having me on
Thank
the
you.
show.
Thank you.